Yeah, peace and love. YouTube, Facebook, Rumble, the world. Yeah, hey, they didn't come out so bad. I got a little more work to do on them. Yeah, I know they're talking about you gotta have all this. You don't have all clean. My place can't be clean. I gotta do too many things. Oh, there they go. Good morning. Peace and love. Facebook, YouTube, the world. This is the artist once again. The Gallery of Truth. Well, I've been on a sewing spree. It's been like a comic sewing around here. My God. A mystery. Here we go. Got my music too. Well, the Most High feeling that is. There's clothes everywhere. I done sewed up. Oh, that ain't the only thing. Yeah, ain't the shoes ain't even safe now. Yeah. It ain't over yet. This one I did yesterday. $9 of material. He's almost $70 for a pair of those. Yeah, right here too. I was there making that video. Peace and love, Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, all of you. Shalom and thank you for watching my video. Shalom.